This tutorial introduces translate, which is another way to position objects on the canvas. It's a bit different than the way we've been doing it, where we're working with a fixed Cartesian plane. This instead moves the entire plane and all the objects on it. So if we quickly look through the code, we can see we've got some variables that aren't really being used right now. But what we have here is we have translate, width divided by 2, height divided by 2. So that's translate to the middle. And then we draw a rectangle at 0, 0, and 50, 50. So what that means is, if we jump over to Illustrator real briefly, we can see here's the canvas. And if we just drew the rectangle 0, 0, 50, 50, it would draw the rect up in this corner with the center right at the 0, 0 point. But what translate does is it takes the entire matrix and translates it down with the rectangle on it, and then draws the rectangle at the 0, 0 position. So we end up with it looking, with this being positioned here right in the center, and the center is now 0, 0. So we'll run this very quickly just so you can see. Right, so the rectangle is at 0, 0. And again, if we comment this out and run it again, then the rectangle is just sitting up in the corner at 0, 0. So this is that translate's important because it's tied to rotate, shear, size, and a bunch of other manipulations. So you'll have to sort of adjust your thinking about how you want to move things around, because now you're going to start moving the matrix, which is what translate is doing. Okay.